Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about why do you need to subscribe my channel and watch all the videos that I uploaded. Okay, basically I'm a nature lover, so yeah, I do give a care a lot to the nature. And another thing is I got subscribed more than 1,000 YouTube channels all around the world. So what is the benefit you can gain from my YouTube channel is I'm going to share my experience and other informations that I get it in these more than 1,000 YouTube channels, and I will share it to you. Not only that, I have subscribed about how to grow organic food, organic agriculturing, how to rear animals organically, then yeah, how to plant trees to save the nature, because there's methods to plant trees, not just simply plant. Okay, then how to give love to the animals and more about nature, fully about nature. So yeah, you should subscribe my channel so that you can gain everything 1,000 in one. So I'll share about every videos about this, the thing that I say. So make sure you watch my videos. So not only that, I have a problem in a year. For example, January to June I'll get sunlight, and July to December I won't get sunlight. You know why? Because due to climate changes and yeah, the phases of earth, right? So that's the problem I'm getting. And only I can grow vegetables, fruits, all the plants in these 6 months. After that I have to grow indoor plants, air purifier like spider plant, everything. Then yeah, I cannot grow a lot. So I'll show you the 6 months video. It's getting start now, only I got the sunlight. It's May now, yeah, so maybe May to August or September. So guys, please do subscribe my channel. And my ambition is agriculturist, so yeah, I will teach you how to do the proper agriculturing. And not only that, I'll share you about my blogs that I go into nature place, like hikings towards the nature, or going for anywhere vacations about the nature, because there's lots of nature place. So yeah, I'll give you few ideas, then you can go with your family for vacation in nature place if you like nature. So please do love nature and subscribe my YouTube channel. Think nature. Bye guys.